Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom and today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this lovely 2018 18 plate Peugeot partner van. Now, we have the pleasure of knowing the previous owners of this vehicle, very well maintained. You can tell the van's truly been cherished in their ownership. Very good spec van as well, so we're finished in white. We've got cruise control, speed limiter, satellite navigation, DAB radio. We've got Apple CarPlay, mirror link, so full phone connectivity, rear parking sensors, and the list goes on. They're a very impressive van with lots of car-like features, and they are known for driving just like a car. So, looking at them, again, plastic front bumper all in nice order. This one's not been raced and rallied, so it's all in nice order. Looking at the headlamps, the bonnet. We're riding on wheel trims. Looking down the side of the van, no signs of any dents or dings. All the plastics at the bottom there are in nice order as well. No one's been opening the door on that. Coming through to the back then, rear parking sensors. Looking at the loading area, that's in nice order as well, so it's not full of gouges and scratches. Ply lined in the rear. You've got part plastic panelling, 12-volt power outlet in the back. You've got metal bulkhead as well, which is a nice feature to have, but never seen any sort of hard use. We've got a few hooks there which are obviously easily taken out. But twin entry doors. You've got side entry on the passenger side as well. So looking at the rear cover, links cover there. Looking down then the driver's side, that's all in nice order as well. Now inside, 3 seats, so you get driver's seat and a bench seat. Nice charcoal and black cloth sport seats, quite supportive, nice bolsters. We've got both keys with this one, electric mirrors, as I mentioned, cruise control, speed limiter. You've got the volume paddles on the sides. As we're doing the video today, we've only covered 45,449 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. We've got aux, we've got 12-volt power outlet, satellite navigation is very easy to use, very responsive. Multimedia, obviously your DAB radio, that kicks in straight away. Telephone settings, so that was your Apple CarPlay, mirror link. Bluetooth phone driving, you've got air conditioning on the van as well, so fantastic for those hot summer days. Rear locking, front electric windows, 5-speed manual box, central cup holders, and then we've got a stack of paperwork for this vehicle upstairs in the office. It's being checked in as we speak. So very nice van, can't imagine it sticking around for long, so if you want to give us a call, it's 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.